I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon that range anywhere from as cold as the mid-20s to as warm as around 40 over northwest Kansas. South winds up to 15 during the overnight and lows in the teens result in wind chills that are likely to fall around zero by early tomorrow. South winds on the backside of high pressure sliding east result in warmer temperatures tomorrow and Wednesday. Highs tomorrow warm mostly into the mid-40s to the mid-50s into around 60 over northwest Kansas. Widespread low to mid-50s for highs are likely on Wednesday. Another cold front Thursday drops our highs mostly to the upper 20s to the mid-30s, but southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas only drop it to the upper 30s to the mid-40s. Highs on Friday quickly rebound into the mid-40s to the mid-50s. The warmest days of the next week over the weekend with highs in the 50s. Light rain or snow could be possible late in the weekend or early next week with a cold front and wave of low pressure. In our long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely to continue this weekend through December 15th for Nebraska, Kansas, and the rest of the central and western U.S. By mid-December, central Nebraska highs are usually in the upper 30s with average overnight lows in the mid-teens. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation indicated to be slightly below normal this weekend through early next week before trending with near normal to slightly above normal precipitation the middle of next week through December 15th. Key weather factors impacting the markets include cold air in the eastern U.S. and warm air in the west, resulting in up and down temperatures in the central U.S. and continued mostly good weather in South America, with the ridge of high pressure across the western U.S. and the jet stream taking a deep plunge east of the Rockies. Significant precipitation is scarce the next 5 days. Snow continues in the Great Lakes from lake-effect snow squalls in the midweek passage of a fast-moving storm. Along the trailing cold front, mid to late week rainfall could reach 1 to 2 inches from the western Gulf Coast into the Mississippi Delta. Most of the U.S. stays dry with chilly weather in the central and eastern U.S., contrasting with mild temperatures in the west. A storm this weekend into next week brings another burst of colder air east of the Rockies. After that blast of colder air, active and warmer weather takes hold in a pattern similar to last month. Mississippi River water levels continue to drop with no heavy snow or rain in the immediate forecast. There is a chance of significant precipitation early next week, but if it does not occur, transportation issues are likely. In Brazil, conditions remain favorable for developing corn and soybeans. Scattered rain continues in central Brazil. Southern Brazil expects heavier rain this early week and over the upcoming weekend. Towards Argentina, some good rain fell this past weekend in parts of the drier south, but many areas were missed. Scattered rain moves through Argentina Thursday through Saturday, keeping most areas with good growing conditions. Areas of southern Argentina that remain too dry could be concerning since the weather tends to be drier late in the crop season. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.